So in today's video, we're going to take one of this little stick. I'm going to put the side right there so you can just go ahead and grab it. I'm going to use this little long stick as well as like a little wood piece. I'm going to take the long stick and attach it to the side with hot glue. Make sure to put enough hot glue. You let it dry. The same thing I always say, you let it dry, then you touch it. You go like that and hold it down until you attach it into place. Put more hot glue. This is the key so it can hold it into place. Another way that you guys can do it as well is put a little bit of hot glue, then put tape around it to hold, and then put more hot glue and to hold it perfectly fine. Then go ahead, grab this little wood and place it right on top just so it won't fall apart and it will hold it down. Then I took two of these foam board and I'm going to attach it with hot glue, and then I'm going to take a circle hula hoop and just make a long circle like that. Go ahead, trace it out, and then cut it out like that to do the whole circle out. Then after that, just go ahead and take it out. After you take it out like that, I'm going to just go ahead and grab my hot glue and put hot glue on the edge and then attach the whole circle together. I'm also going to take this poster board in yellow. You could do any color that you would like. Just go ahead and trace it out like that. And then grab your scissor and you're going to cut it out until you take out the whole thing. So you could have like the whole circle out like that. So just continue cutting it until you do the whole thing. Then once you do the whole thing, I'm just going to place it right on top in there like that. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue around it like that. And then I'm going to attach it to the foam board like that. Just go ahead and attach it into place, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the other piece. Just put some hot glue and attach the paper, the poster board on top. Then just go ahead, place more hot glue just to attach it perfectly fine. Then I took this sign that says summer. I'm gonna decorate the sign. You could just get one of those posters that they have like for $5 if you have a theme. It's a pool party, so I have to just find things to put together, but I think it would look better if you do like a whole poster or the whole poster instead of doing it like this, like I'm doing it. So just giving you an idea. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue at the edge of the stick like that, and then attach it into place in there. Then I'm gonna take my balloon and just attach them together, just 2 and 2. Just put a string and then just continue attaching it like that until you attach the whole thing around it like that. Then once you do, I'm gonna take so this glue dot, I'm going to put it in the small balloon just to place it inside where you see the little gap. Just place it around it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do for any party decoration. This could be like a welcome sign if you would like. You could put it next to the cake. It's up to you how you guys want to display. Now for the next idea, we're just going to go ahead and grab these boxes. This is the size right there. I'm going to put some tape around them. Make sure you get the bigger tape, not the small one like I did. So then just go ahead and close your box down all the way, the top and bottom, until you attach the whole box around like that. Like I said, make sure to use the other tape. Then I'm going to take the other one, place it right on top in there. I'm going to take another one and place it in the other side. And then we're going to take another one and place it on top in here. In here, I'm going to take my hot glue and put some hot glue around it like that, all the way around. And then I'm going to place the other box on top to attach it. But I suggest you guys attach it with tape. Just place it around it like that, like 4 boxes together, and then just attach the whole thing around it. But I didn't have any tape, so I'm just using the hot glue. So then I'm just going to go ahead and attach the other box right in there. Then I'm going to put the hot glue on the side of the box like that. And I'm going to attach the other one together like that. Then after you attach all 4 boxes like that, I'm going to measure. I'm going to take a measuring tape. I'm going to measure the size of the front of the box like that so I can know how long I have to cut it. Then I'm going to take 2 foam board. I'm going to place them together like that. And then I'm going to measure to the same size of the box. Just go ahead and measure it like that. And then just mark it down like that. And then just after you mark it down, you're just going to go ahead and grab another foam board or ruler, whatever you have, just to make the line. Then just go ahead and trace it out so you know where to cut. Then grab your knife and then just start cutting the whole thing all the way down until you cut it out. Then after you cut out the piece of the foam board like this is the other piece. So then we're going to use these 2 parts for the boxes. Then we're just going to go ahead and grab our hot glue, put hot glue around it like that, and we're going to place the first foam board right there, and then just attach it into place like that. Then after you attach that part, we're just going to go ahead and measure this to make sure it fit perfectly. I'm going to take my hot glue and do the same process, attach it into place like that. Then we're going to do the top one. For the top one, the easy way that you guys could do it, just place it on top, mark it down where you have to cut it like that. If you don't want to measure it, you could also do it like this if you don't have a measuring tape, and then just trace it out, and then you're just going to trace it out both sides so you know where to cut it and how big, and then just go ahead, grab your knife and start cutting out the whole thing out until you have the top like that. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue in here. Make sure to hot glue on the top, not on the box, and then attach the two foam board together, not the box, like that, so you don't have like little gap. Then attach it into place like that. Then after you attach it into place, we're gonna do the same thing that we did in the other side. We're gonna do it on the side as well. Just go ahead and trace it out, cut it out, and then just continue to cut the whole thing until you're done cutting the whole thing. Then just go ahead, grab your hot glue, and then attach it into place, and then just continue doing this until you do the whole box around it. Then after you do the whole box around it, I took these beads like that. I'm gonna connect it together because I didn't have enough, but try you not to do that. You're gonna need 4 of these so you can place it all the way around. Then just go ahead, grab your hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue at the bottom like that. Then just place it where you see the little line like that, and then just continue attaching your beads around it until you do the whole thing like that. Just make sure to put enough hot glue, not just in one gap, like little by little, so it won't fall apart or it doesn't come off like that. Then after you attach the whole thing all the way around, I'm gonna take this plastic dowel wraps like that, and you can also get one that comes together. I couldn't find one, so I'm just gonna go ahead, put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach these two together. The way that I attach perfectly fine. I just grab a little bit of the tape, after I place the glue, then I grab the tape and place it like on top in there, and then I'm gonna take the hot glue, place the hot glue in there, and then I'm going to like attach the tape with the hot glue and also to the tube like that. Just go ahead and place it around it, and then we're gonna do the same thing. And we're gonna use 3 of these together, and then just do the same process like that, and it would turn out just like this. So we're gonna do this one. So for here, you're gonna put a lot of hot glue. This is the key. Listen to me. Put a lot of hot glue on the little table, then put a lot of glue on the stick, and then attach it right in there. Hold it down. Put more hot glue in here. You're gonna have to put a lot of hot glue in there like that. Then after you put a lot of hot glue, let it dry for a little bit. After it dry, make sure it's already cool, and then touch it like that, like squeeze it down, and this is what's gonna hold it into place. This is the most you have to do this. Put more hot glue and repeat the process like 3 or 2 times, the same thing, putting hot glue and then letting it dry and letting it cool off, and then squeezing it down. And once you do that, you guys, I promise you it's gonna attach perfectly fine. You don't have to worry about that. So then after you guys do that like that, just squeeze it and put more hot glue and continue doing this until you do the whole thing around it. Then after you guys do that, we're gonna do the same process in the other sides as well. As you can see, it took me a long time for me to be able to hold it down, but I got it down pat. Then we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing in the other side, which is pretty simple. Just follow the same step, the same process. I'm holding it down. Then after that, I'm gonna take the top. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure out to cut it out. I'm just gonna trace it and cut it in there like that. Just after you cut it out like that, we are going to put some flower on the top like that, just to make it cute. Decorator, you don't have to put this flower, but I think it look cute, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a few flowers, some pink and a few yellow like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take this ABC letters and I'm going to spell out her name like that. So you just spell out whatever the name that you guys are doing, then just place it in there. Then I'm gonna take some hot glue on each side, place it in there, and then attach my sign to the top like that. In here, I didn't like the little gap that you see, so I just cut little string of the foam board, and I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue and attach it inside like that. And this one is gonna give me a clean look because I didn't like it the way it looks that it showed the box. I do not like that. Then I'm gonna take this sign, put a little bit of hot glue, and place it right in the middle in there like that. Then I'm gonna take another piece and place it in the line. You guys, I don't like how the line turned out, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turned out. So simple, so easy. I hope you guys liked all these 2 DIY. Please comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. I will be doing like a pool party, so that's why I'm creating all these things. When I set up the whole thing together, I will also show you how everything turns out. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video. Let's not forget to share, comment, and like. Thanks again for